Okay, this is my review of a KTM RC 125. I've had this bike for a year now. I've been riding it for 6 months. Lovely bike, nothing wrong with it. Great bike if you want to get a nice lovely looking bike. Feels great. There's nothing really not to like, other than they tend to be quite expensive for a 125. They're also quite large, as they're the exact same body as the 390 KTM RC 390. Don't actually know where I am. I'm going to turn around. Oh god, carried away. Not going down that way. With the KTM RC. Lovely first bike. My first bike was on my scooter before. It's not a slow 125 for a 4-stroke, especially with the Aquapovic exhaust that I've got with the baffles out. It sounds great. Not sure if you can hear that. Lift the visor up. Yeah, it's a lovely sounding bike for a 125. You don't expect it to sound like this. But it's great round corners. You can definitely, you got the tyres nice and warm, the engine's nice and warm. Try and drag knee round corners. It holds its speed very well. Too bad for commuting. One of my videos I went down to Bournemouth, which that's a 3-hour ride from me. So riding on this for 3 hours there and back was, well, for a super sport bike 125, it wasn't bad. It definitely kept up. Wasn't the most comfortable, but there are things you can buy for that, like their power pots. There's not a lot to fault about this bike. Definitely catches eyes because it is a lovely looking bike. One thing that it has that you don't normally have, or not like this on most 125s, is optional ABS. That means you've got the ABS on all the time, but unlike the whited Fs and the MTs, you can actually turn it off with one button instead of having to pull out the fuse and everything, like going under the seat and sorting everything out. Also, unlike a lot of bikes, the battery's under here, under the practically under the tank, but it's next to the tank. These mirrors are awfully large, but you can't do much with them because they are the indicators, so that's a bit annoying, but they don't look too bad. Holds its speed. Brakes are pretty good as well. Skipping the rear wheel. Bit of my fault there. So this is the 2014 KTM RC in black. They do come in orange and I think it might just be orange, but they are all different. Every year they kind of change it up a little bit. Like the mirrors are a bit different on the newer ones and things like that. Good little 125. Well, good 125. It's not little, but it's not massive. It's not too big. It's one of the lightest but it's bigger than a lot of them, so it's a bit surprising. But as you can see there, it's still a 125 and it can't pull as quick as the I believe it was a 600. You can still pull. It's a lovely bike. It handles great. Handles great for a 125 and for a super sport. Yeah. Definitely weave with it. You definitely feel one with the bike if you're hugging it with your legs properly. We'll miss the position though. So you have to change some things to meet what you want a bike for. Could definitely keep up. I wouldn't spot for a 125. It can keep up with the bigger bikes as long as they're not doing bigger bike things, as in going faster than you should do, which is a habit. You definitely get on this as well, because it can do over the limit. I'd struggle on it at the moment because I've gone down the sprocket to 13 front, and it's got the, I believe it's 42 on the rear, the stock rear. So I wanted something which had a bit more acceleration, but mainly I wanted to see if I could get the wheel up easier. Front wheel, because I want a bike that can wheelie, so I can just throw about. I'm not worried too much about scraping fairings and making the value of the bike go down, which I think I'm alright at the moment. But a good thing about this bike is if you fall in love with it and you don't plan on getting a different bike, and you are 17, 18 years old, that you want to keep the same bike when you come to being 19. So when you do your A2, you can actually straight swap the engine from whether you want to do the 200 for some reason or you want to buy a 390 engine. It's just a straight swap over. Nothing really changes. You'll probably want to change the radiator because I heard that the 390s have some cooling problem, but it's not an issue if you're planning on spending £1,000 on an engine and then maybe 200-300 quid labour, and then once you've paid for all the labour and everything, it's just little things. So yeah, it's still a lovely bike. I wish I didn't have to get rid of it to get this new bike, but this new one, well, this new one's a bit better. Not as better bike, as in better for what I want for a bike. Like I was saying, sometimes it doesn't go to gear, but that's user error. Yeah, I want a bike that I can wheelie on, disabout on, be a bit more visible, but that's not really a factor I'm taking in. But a bit more power for a 125. But I'm not going to give away what the bike is yet. I can squeeze out some more footage for that, because the more videos you pump out, the more views you get, the more popular you get, you know. Have to try and live by making more videos to try and build up a subscriber base. I'd like to try and pump out some more videos, but I don't think I get very entertaining videos just riding around doing what I'm doing. But I'm sure once I find some people to ride out with, we can have some fun and get a bit more footage for people and get some more subscribers and share the fun with more people. Try and find a place that I can pull over and show the bike off a bit. We're about to pull over in the corner here so we don't piss too many people off. So you've always got that one person that you pissed off. In the shade a bit, it's awfully hot today. Yeah, I'll stick it in second, that's always worth it. Well, there you go. KTM RC 125 2014. Looks good. Got the graphics RNG sticker from the frame sliders. They're good frame sliders. The Acura exhaust, that's actually quite hot. That's the tail tidy. There, these indicators, which were cheap online ones, but do the job. Oh. Looks good. The indicators are in the mirrors, which I think they did that on purpose. It costs you a bit more money. And on these light up, the indicators are in there, and in that one too. I've put adjustable levers on. These are the billion pegs. You just unbolt those, both sides. You can also get some CNC things like chain cover, things for the chain, reservoir and everything. But this startup sequence, it's pretty cool. Do that again. These also light up, so if you're in the dark you can see there that's lit up. So that's pretty cool. Let's hear the exhaust. So that's it's a sound on its own. It's the idle. Get away with a full rev. Doesn't sound half bad for 125. Bike, just a couple of days before I get rid of it and give it to the new owner when I get my new bike, which I can't wait for. It's been a hassle, I'm not gonna lie. Insurance is a scam, it's stupid. New bikes apparently easier to nick than this one, which, okay, I don't want to say that, I understand. No, you shouldn't have to make me cancel my insurance, causing me to lose money, to then get me to pay for a brand new one, full price. Yeah, so gonna go do the things I came out to do now. Been a bit longer than I should have been. 41 minutes out on the bike. Also tells you how long you've been riding and your average speed. It's an average of a safe 18, that's alright then. Yeah, this is for the LEDs, just change all of that stuff, RGB, all that. Would have liked to put some halo lights at the front, but getting rid of it, so it's going to be sad to see it go, but I'm sure the new owner is going to do some stuff to it, going to make it look good.